Thank you. As Governor Stitt weighs whether or not to sign a controversial immigration bill into state law, 2 News has heard from multiple local organizations representing immigrants who strongly oppose it. 2 News Oklahoma's Samson Tamijani heard from some of those groups and the state attorney general who strongly supports it.
House Bill 4156 would criminalize any person without a legal immigration status. Penalties involve hundreds or even thousands in fines, plus jail time and a requirement to leave the state. According to the draft, authorities could enforce this anywhere in the state. It's already passed the Oklahoma House and Senate along party lines. Similar bills were signed into law by governors in Iowa and Texas already, but a federal judge in Texas is currently reviewing theirs. State Attorney General Gentner Drummond says he directed the legislature to come up with a version that would hold up in court, calling the reason a matter of public safety. The AG's office directed us to his statement saying, quote, "If the president won't secure the nation's border, then our state must step in to protect Oklahomans," adding, "I encourage Governor Stitt to sign it into law." Meanwhile, rights groups like the Oklahoma ACLU are campaigning against it, calling it unconstitutional. In fact, several local nonprofits we're told are planning to send an open letter to the governor urging him not to sign it. One of them is El Centro here in East Tulsa, whose board of directors chair says the bill is rooted in fear to cause fear in the immigrant community.
A House of Representatives in Oklahoma and also Oklahoma Senate is sending a very clear message to the community, and they don't like us here. It's very sad, unconstitutional, immoral.
The Tulsa Area Hispanic Chamber of Commerce even dedicated a segment of its luncheon Thursday to bash the bill.
Not only does this legislation pose a great threat to our state's economy, but also undermines the values of inclusivity and diversity that are fundamental to our society.
Reverend Alvaro Nova says these messages are what the governor should listen to, while the attorney general argues making HB 4156 a law would protect the border from drugs and illegal marijuana trafficking.
We know the people we serve, we know the people in our community, and we know the value of our community is for this society.
In Tulsa, Samson Tamijani, 2 News, Oklahoma.
2 News also reached out to multiple Asian American immigrant outreach groups for comment on the bill over the last 3 days, but we haven't heard back.